So let's start the class. Today we are going to learn, we are going to understand, we are going on a wonderful and adventurous voyage. What do you mean by voyage? Do you know voyage? What is the meaning of voyage? Voyage का meaning किसी को पता है क्या? Today we are going on a wonderful adventurous voyage. Voyage means a journey of sea or ocean. Why I am saying this? We are going on a wonderful adventurous voyage of maths because today we are going to discuss, to learn your first chapter of maths, that is what is the name? The fish tail. Today we are going to understand, we are going to discuss about someone who lives in water. Now there are many creatures, many animals, many organisms that live in water. But today we are going to learn someone who lives in water very special. Okay. So बचपन में आपने जब आप छोटे रहोगे in childhood you have learned a poem. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है ना? So मछली जल की रानी है. So fish is the queen of water. You can see fish everywhere. You can see fish in lake, in river, in sea, in ocean as well. है ना? No need to write, but you can write this word anywhere. It will help you to improve your vocabulary. ठीक है? This is your maths class, but you can write this word to improve your vocabulary. What is the meaning of this word? The meaning is journey to sea or ocean. A journey in sea or ocean. ठीक है? Now, मछली जल की रानी है means fish is the queen of water. You can see fish everywhere in lake, in river, in sea, in ocean. Correct? Now, like we have poem, like we हम Indians की ये poem है. Japanese too have a poem. Japanese की भी एक poem है. 3-line poem. The 3-line poem is called haiku. This is given in your book. If you have book, open your book and underline it. 3-line poem is called haiku. Japanese की 3-line की poem है. उसे क्या कहते हैं? It is called haiku. Okay. Now this is the first line of your book. Now let's understand. Let's read the 3-line poem. I'm going to share my screen. No one will touch the screen now. Yes, Apurva.
Ma'am, can I read the poem haiku?
Yes, you can read the poem haiku. Just a minute. No. Huh.
A lake calm, smooth, still. A fish jumps up and returns. Ripples.
Beta, wait a minute. I said the first line. You can see on the screen. I've written the 3-line poem here. The fish tail. Deep under the sea.
Okay, deep under the sea. See the lovely colored fish swimming peacefully.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is a 3-line Japanese poem on fish deep under the sea. See the lovely colored fish. Here it is not written fish. Let me write it. Deep under the sea, see the lovely colored fish swimming peacefully. What is this? This is a Japanese poem, 3-line poem. And what it is called? It is called haiku. Okay. There is one more poem given below this. Can anyone read? आपके पास book है? इसके नीचे भी 3 लाइन की एक poem दी है. Who will read it? Yes, Shaurya.
Ma'am, I can.
हाँ.
The lake clean, smooth, still a fish jumps up and returns. Ripples shake the lake.
Yes. So this is the second poem. Okay. Now, can you draw a fish? I'm giving you time. Everyone in your copy, draw a fish quickly using different shapes. You are in class 5. Abhi aapko, you know, different shapes. In April month, we have learned different shapes: hexagon, pentagon, triangle, square, rectangle. I'm giving a minute or two. जल्दी से कॉपी में एक फिश ड्रॉ करनी है यूजिंग दिस डिफरेंट शेप्स. ओके, आई एम आल्सो ड्राइंग ऑन द बोर्ड. मैं भी बोर्ड पे एक फिश ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ यूजिंग डिफरेंट शेप. ठीक है, आई एम यूजिंग फर्स्ट, आई एम यूजिंग दिस इज माय फिश. ये मेरी फिश है. आई वांट टू सी एवरीवन्स फिश. यस तनिष्का.
मैम
हाँ,
मैम हमको ये चैप्टर कॉपी में लिखना है, मतलब चैप्टर की हेडिंग
यस
देनी है.
यस. राइट डाउन टुडेज डेट, चैप्टर 1, द फिश टेल.
ओके मैम.
TALE. What do you mean by TALE? Fish tail. TALE. If you don't have any doubt, lower down your hands. Lower down your hands if you don't have any doubt. Now I am going to. Everyone, सबने बना ली? Now show me. प्रियांश ने बनाई है, and Tanishka has used pentagon shape, a triangle, and Apurva has used a triangle and which shape? Circular shape or oval shape? Circle. ठीक है. रौनक ने भी बनाई है. He used square. रौनक, you have drawn 3 fishes. Yes, रौनक, 3 fish draw की है. 3 or 2?
मैम टू तीसरा बना रहा था, नहीं बना.
Okay. Very good. Good. Tanishka, show your copy. Very good, Navya. Navya has copied my diagram. Navya ने मेरी fish copy की है. Don't copy. Draw your own fish. This is my fish. अच्छा, your fish also looks like my fish. मेरी फिश की जैसे दिखती है? ओ अच्छा, ओके तनिष्का. Yes, Veerti, you have drawn 4 fish using circle, rectangle, and 2 fish are not visible. Yes, Veerti, tell me.
Ma'am, oval and circle.
Oval and circle. Very good. Okay. Kavya, have you made? Done? Kavya? Okay, you are drawing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, draw it fast. And after class got over, you have to color it also. ठीक है? तो थोड़ी सी space, leave some space to draw 1 or 2 more fish. ठीक है? 2-3 fish और बना के color it properly. Okay? ठीक है Navya. Now Navya, your fish looks like you. Your fish is like you, means it is your fish. Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's continue with the chapter. So we can use different shapes to draw a fish. Now can you tell me where else you see fish? We see fish in fish design in, we see fish and fish design in water, है ना? Where else you see fish design? Just a second. So tell me, where else you see fish or fish design? Raise your hand and tell me. Yes, Deshna. Deshna, are you there?
Ma'am,
Yes, Deshna.
मैम यहाँ थोड़ा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है तो मैंने 3 टाइप एक फिश ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ मैं अभी.
आपने ड्रॉ की है?
यस मैम, मैं ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ.
Okay. So now who is going to tell me? Arush? Beta, I will not repeat this instruction daily. Your video should be on throughout the class. Okay? Now you are in class 5. I hope you understand all the instructions given by teacher, and if you don't understand, you can ask your teacher. So one general instruction I have given, that your video should be on throughout the class. So Arush, tell me where else you see the fish design, और कहाँ कहाँ हम fish के design देख सकते हैं, या आपने कहीं देखी है? आपने कहीं पे देखी है fish की design कहीं बनी हुई?
No ma'am.
Is there anyone in the class जिसने कहीं पे fish designs बनी हुई देखी है? Other than in water, in such areas? Yes, Shaurya.
मैम मैंने नदी में देखी थी.
कहाँ? घड़ी में?
नदी में, नदी में.
नदी में. बेटा it is, नदी को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? River ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So try to speak in English. Use all such small words. जब भी whenever you converse, communicate, use these words. है ना? काव्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen somewhere fish design? Fish की design कहीं पे देखी है अदर देन मतलब पानी वानी ये सब जगह पे, इसको छोड़ के और कहीं पे आपने फिश की डिजाइन देखी है बनी हुई?
यस मैम, मैंने वॉल पे देखा था।
वॉल पे, यस, wall painting, glass paintings, correct? And you can see the design of fish. Yes, ठीक है. रौनक के sorry, Nishchay want to tell something. Yes, Nishchay.
Ma'am, I had 3 starfish.
You had
I had 3 starfish.
starfish in your home, in your aquarium.
Aquarium.
In aquarium. Wow, that's very good. Okay. So you can see different designs of fish in wall, in sarees, in clothes, in different dresses, and in wall painting. There is one type of special type of painting called Madhubani painting. ठीक है, आपकी आर्ट क्लास होती है ना, आप अपने आर्ट सर से पूछना, सर व्हाट इज मधुबनी पेंटिंग. ओके, he will tell you. In Madhubani painting, it is one form of painting. Especially, it is famous in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and there they use Madhubani painting, and you can see here in the third picture. This is Madhubani form, and there is a, how many fishes are there? Can you count? दिख रही है आपको? There are 4 fishes. 4 fishes. Okay. So fish designs we can see everywhere. Now, smallest and biggest fishes. We are talking about fish. So let us see which is the smallest fish and which is the biggest fish. Do you know the name of the smallest fish? And what is the length? How much? What is the weight? What is the length of the fish? You can see in the first image. The fish is so small that you can pick up that fish in your first finger. First finger के first box में आ जाती है वो fish. The length of that fish is less than 1 centimeter. आपकी scale है. The first line is 1 centimeter. वो उससे भी छोटी होती है. It is smaller than 1 centimeter. Its length is about 9 millimeter, and its weight, इसका weight is less than 1 gram. 1 ग्राम से भी कम होता है. The name of this fish is Paedocypris. You can write down Paedocypris. The smallest fish in the world. The smallest fish, its length is less than, can you imagine, less than 9 millimeter, 1 centimeter से भी छोटी, and its weight is less than 1 gram. Less than 1 gram. Now, can anyone tell me the biggest fish? This is about the smallest fish. Now, can anyone tell me the biggest fish? Yes, Arush has raised hand. Wait a minute. Yes, Arush. Name of the biggest fish. Okay, Virti.
Ma'am, whale.
Whale shark. Yes, whale shark. The biggest fish is whale shark. Do you know what is the length of the whale shark? Anyone know? कितनी लंबी होती है? Yes, निश्चय.
मैम 18 मीटर.
Yes, correct. 18 meter. 18 meter long. The length of whale shark is 18 meter. And what is the weight of whale shark is 16,000 kg. 16,000 kilogram. Yes, Tanishka? Write down this in your copy. Anything else?
मैम आपका बोर्ड नहीं दिख रहा है.
नहीं दिख रहा. Okay. Means it is blur or?
हाँ मैम आप दिखा, नीचे का नहीं दिख रहा था.
Okay, okay, yes. So length of a whale shark is 18 meter and weight is 16,000 kilogram. You know that 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? हमने पढ़ा है. 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? Who will tell me? 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? Tanishka, Nishchay, Molly. What about others? Kavya, Navya, Priyansh, Arush, Ronak, Shaurya, Preeti. Yes. You can drop your answer in chat box. Tanishka has given answer and your answer is correct. 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? Yes. That should be the spirit. सबके hand raise हुए हैं. Drop your answer in chat box. Molly, Kavya, Ronak, Shaurya, Vaibhav, Vaibhav 1, Vaibhav 2. Very good. Everyone answer is same. Yes, correct. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So can you imagine what whale shark 18 meter means कितनी लंबी होगी वो? And weight is 16,000 kilogram. Okay, so this is about the smallest and the biggest fish. You can see the picture of the smallest fish and the biggest fish, whale shark. Okay, there is one calculation, one question given in your book. I'm going to share you the book, PDF of the book. Let us solve that question. Okay, this is your book, The Fish Tale. Second page of your book. Do you know in Hindi what fish mean? Meaning of fish, name of fish in Hindi? Yes. Yes, Molly?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ah,
मैम मछली.
मछली. एंड और किसी को पता है अदर देन मछली? मछली के अलावा फिश को क्या बोलते हैं? इट इज गिवन इन योर बुक. सी, मीन मीन्स अ फिश. मीन. अगर आपने राशि का भी नाम सुना होगा, देर आर 12, 12 राशि होती है ना, तो मीन इज वन राशि. मीन मीन्स फिश. ओके. So here it is given fish can have very different sizes. The smallest fish is 1 centimeter long, less than 1 centimeter long. And how long is the biggest fish? You can write down here in the bracket. Book में आपकी space दिया, there write down 18 meter. How many times longer is your bigger fish than the smallest fish? The biggest fish is the whale shark. It is actually not a whale, but is a big fish. Now, in EVS we have learned. Do you know what is a mammal? Whale is not a whale, shark is not a fish. It is a mammal. What is different between mammal and a fish? Fish lay egg. Fish क्या करती है? It lay egg. And mammals, they give birth to young one. They directly give birth to young one. Okay? So in page number 3 of your book, open page number 3. About how many kilograms do you weigh? Write down your weight. In the box, write down your weight. Written. So let's take the you are in class 5. So almost everyone weight should be approximately 30 kg. ठीक है? How many kilograms do you weigh? Write down your weight. I am taking it 30 kg. ठीक है? So children, 12 children like you put together will weigh about 12 children का weight कितना होगा? आपके जैसे 12 children का weight कितना होगा? So what we will do? First, I am taking weight of a child is 30 kg. Question is, you have to find if we put 12 children of 30 kg together, what will be their weight? So what we will do? Weight of 12 children will be, एक बच्चे का 30 है तो 12 बच्चों का कितना होगा? Multiply it. Weight of 12 children is equals to 30 into 10. What is the answer? Tell me. 30 into 12. And your answer will be in kg because weight of one child is 30 kg. So weight of 12 children will be 30 into 12. Yes, yes, Kavya.
Ma'am, 360.
Yes, 360 kg. So next question is about how much more does the whale shark weigh than 12 children like you put together? What is the weight of whale shark?
16,000 kg.
Weight of whale shark is 16,000 kg. 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 16,000 k weight of 12 children is, we have just calculated. कितना है? It is 360 kg. Question is about how much more does the whale shark weigh? Whale shark का weight कितना ज्यादा है 12 children के weight से? So what you will do? क्या करेंगे हम? Which operation we will perform? Yes, Tanishka.
And we will do minus.
We will subtract.
Subtract.
Yes, we will subtract. Okay, do it. We will subtract 360 from 16,000. You complete this in your copy in today's date. This is difference in weight. Calculate and write down your answer in this space given in your book. ठीक है? In next class we will deal, हम आगे का पढ़ेंगे next class में. ठीक है? First less than 1 minute left.